everyone, I'm Dr. Eldridge, and I wanted to go ahead and record this quick tutorial on how you actually go about accessing a law case via our LexisNexis program in our online library. So first and foremost, you're going to sign into My Courses, and you'll come up to your My Courses homepage. Once you do that, what you want to do is you want to scroll down to where it says additional resources. And please take a look at these resources because there are some really great opportunities here for you to click into these things for assistance. So you're going to click into library resources and services, of course, because we've got to access Lexis via our online library. Now, if you're off campus and you're not yet signed in, then you're going to have to go through your sign-in credentialing. I'm already signed in. But if you're not signed in, then you need to go ahead and put your student number in, and then also the last 4 digits of your social security number in order to sign into our online library database. But anyway, once you're here, you're going to go into database by subject. That's the easiest way to look up everything. Now, you can either click business or you can go down, you can click legal. Either way, you're going to come up to a drop-down screen. And when you get to that drop-down screen, you want to click LexisNexis Academic. That's going to take you directly where you need to be. Now, what you want to do from there, if you have the case name, which means you have the name of the parties involved in the case. So you have the plaintiff's name and you have the defendant's name. Sometimes there's more than one defendant. Or you have what we call the case citation. You want to click Look Up a Legal Case. And if you click there, then what you're going to see is by case citation, which means that what you would want to do is you would want to take whatever the citation is. And I'm going to pull my Microsoft document over here so you can see this. What I did was I cut and pasted the information that I provided in the week 1 assignment folder, the Dropbox that has the case name that is being used for one of my classes. And what you're doing here is I'm highlighting the case citation here. And I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to paste that where it says by citation. Okay, so I have that. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click go. Once I do that, it should take me directly to the case that I'm looking for. Fingers crossed it's going to work well today. Okay, now remember also, though, that this citation that I used was actually a Lexis citation. So that's why, of course, it's going to bring me up directly to the case. Now that's great because now it's showing me the exact case that I need to review in order to complete my week 1 assignment. Remember that week 1 assignment is how you briefing a legal case. Now I have a tutorial that I have done on how you brief a legal case that I want you to go ahead and review before you do so. But this brings you directly to the case. Now I'm going to go back one step and I'm going to say, okay, well, now what if we don't have the case citation? Let's delete that. And we just know the names of the parties. But we know that the plaintiff in the case is Exempleware. And we know that at least one of the defendants is Versata Software. So we input that information and we press go. And the problem now, though, is that it's taken us, obviously, to more than one case. So if you have the case citation, that makes it so much easier because we could go, boom, directly to the case that we're looking for. Because sometimes cases are decided, believe it or not, on more than one occasion. So you have different versions of cases. And you want to always make sure that you get the right version. So what you would have to do is you would have to actually click into each one of these cases to make sure that you got the version that matches the case citation that I just input before. That's why whenever you have a case citation, that's always the best route to use because you know it's going to directly take you to the case that you need for the particular assignment. And you do have the case citation, so just use it for this one. And that's how simple it is. So go ahead and look up your case so you have it to go by and to read, and then go ahead and start reading it. I'm also going to prepare another tutorial that talks about how you actually read a legal case so you understand what you're looking at when you go ahead to read it. And that's it. That's how simple it is. Thank you.